Gilson Rotary sifters and silent sifters are a fast, safe, and effective tool for particle size separation of granular material and are designed for a long service life. Before performing maintenance or repairs on the unit, always read and understand the safety, operating, and maintenance instructions supplied with the unit. If you find that there's no power to the timer display or the machine will not operate, first check to make sure the unit is connected to its power source. Then, check to make sure that the unit's door is closed and secured for operation. If the door is not properly secured, the sifter will not turn on. The unit has a safety interlock switch that disables the sifter and resets the timer if the door is open during operation. Check its function and connections and trace the circuits with an electrical meter. If the door safety switch is faulty, contact Gilson for a replacement part. If the problem persists, unplug the unit, remove the 8 upper side screws and the 2 upper control panel screws. Then remove the top panel. Then slide the back panel up and off the sifter cabinet and set aside. This will expose the electrical connections. Check the electrical connections for any loose or faulty wiring. If necessary, trace the circuitry with an electrical meter using the electrical schematic diagram found in the operating manual. If the timer is still inoperable, contact Gilson to confirm diagnosis and arrange for a replacement part. For any questions on your Gilson rotary or silent sifter, or for any Gilson product, please contact your Gilson technical support team.